everyone, this is Shanta, and just wanted to come pop on and get a quick little video. Today is February the 3rd, 2019, and it's my consultation for my Sisterlocks. I'm on my way there, should be there in a few minutes. I was just stopping and got some fruit so I can have some breakfast basically. But so I'm really excited. I'll come back later on and you know, show you my Sisterlocks, and we'll have a good chit chat about that. But here you go. Here's my just wash, nothing in it hair. I've cut it down to pick out the previous locks, probably about 3 to 5 inches around. So I'm looking rough right now, but it's okay. It's with a purpose, and maybe I'll show you guys what I'll do with it later on to get past these next 2 weeks of while my Sisterlocks are basically in there, so we can see what they're gonna do. But all right, just wanted to pop on real quick, and I'll come and talk to you guys later on. Peace. All right, guys, I'm back at home from my consultation, and I am so excited. She did these here. It's probably easy if I just insert a picture. I don't know what you're gonna be seeing, but she did these here. And we're going to, you see how long, it looks kind of crazy, right? Like how short my hair looks, but when the locks are in, it's actually out this long. So we're going to see how these hold up. My date is the 16th, 16th and 17th so far. So I just kind of do that and kind of scrunch them back up. They kind of scrunch up into the rest of the fro there. I may do some curl formers on the rest of this, see what it do. I don't know what I'm gonna do for the next 2 weeks really. But so yeah, the 16th and 17th is my date for that we have set for my install. So I'm really excited. So Natasha is my consultant. She's actually a coworker. So that's kind of good that it's someone that I already know. And she just completed the class that was in Houston this past month in January. So she is a trainee. It was important for me to actually get a trainee anyway, because I'm gonna be a trainee. I have signed up for the Baton Rouge class that's in March, so I will, you know, be working towards being Sisterlocks certified, and I just thought it was good to give that opportunity to a trainee as well. So, because, you know, I would hope that someone takes a chance on me in the future. So we had a good time. We got the locks installed, and you know, so it's gonna be good. I'm really excited this time. It's a little, you know, and everybody's like, oh my gosh, Shanta, like how many lock journeys are you gonna have? How many times are you gonna do this? I hope that this set will be with me for a very long time. I cannot make any promises. All I can ever say to you is that I will always have locks, but you know, I can't guarantee you that a set is gonna be with me forever and ever and ever. That's just not the way it is with me, unfortunately. And I did really enjoy my last set that I did myself, but it had a lot of issues. There were a lot of issues that I just didn't anticipate because I didn't know a lot about that particular locking style. My grid was non-existent. I just basically had a consistent north to south and ear to ear part. Everything else was just kind of a hodgepodge. I didn't really come up to the number that I would have liked to have as far as how many locks was in my head. And then just the whole sheer method of interlocking my own hair, like retightening my own hair, was getting very labor intensive. So I'm really looking forward to getting to have somebody else do my hair. You know, I can't say in the future if I won't. Actually, yes, I can. I mean, I've been doing my hair myself since 2001. I really do not foresee me retightening my own hair. I think it's time to pass that torch along, and I can just use these hands on other folks. All right, guys, I'm gonna end this here because I need to figure out what am I doing with this for the next 2 weeks. So I just wanted to get on here to show you all my Sisterlocks and to you know, just start this journey off right with documenting everything that I can. So I just wanted to get this video in here. I will insert some pictures so that you can see them a little closer, and I will definitely be bringing you all along for the ride on this journey. So, and also the new chapter of becoming a Sisterlock consultant. I'm really excited about that. I've been wanting to do it for a while. Just scheduling just never worked out, but we made it happen. So March is when it's going to be, God willing. Like, what if they like cancel the class on me? Be devastated. But no, we ain't gonna think about that. We're not gonna think about that. All right, so guys, I'm gonna go ahead and end this here. I see you all later. Please subscribe if you're not already a subscriber, so you can come along with me in this journey. I'm also very active on, well, not really, not active on anything. I'm not gonna say that lie, but I am pretty good. I'm decent on Instagram. I'm also on Twitter. I'll leave those links below, so you can all, you know, come along and follow me and see where this goes. All right, I will talk to you all soon. Peace.